So you're the mother to Gold Carl. Want to have you just briefly tell us, just in about a minute or so, tell us how this program has been for you, how you perceive it has been for your daughter, and what the transformation process that has happened in 3 weeks means to you as a parent. Let's hear you, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for this beautiful opportunity. Good evening, everybody. Good evening to our esteemed guests here today, the coaches of Tech School, and of course, a very big thank you to Mr. Joshua. I'm so grateful to God for you. Also, good evening to our beautiful parents out there and to all the kids at Tech School. I love you all. Tech School is so beautiful, and I'm so happy to have enrolled my child at Tech School because I love technology. I'm a techie person, even though to a point, but I've always looked at a world without technology. It would have been chaotic. But technology today has brought a lot to us and making the world a global village. So, and I didn't want my daughter to be left out. And but when I heard about Tech School, I made up my mind that my daughter was going to be involved because I understand and know what it is to be technology inclined. Today, I'm so glad to be here because I have a daughter who is very intelligent and brave, and be proud to match. I don't want her to be a surgeon, but she also likes technology because it's something that I do a lot, and I've been thinking about how I'm going to achieve that, knowing that where I live in the east, Anambra State to be precise, and the structure of the place is not as other cities that I've lived in. So I had to take the chance and enroll my daughter at Tech School. And today I'm so happy. I mean, just some few days ago, my daughter came to me and told me, "Mom, you know what? I don't want to be a surgeon again. I want to be a technology scientist." I said, "Excuse me?" You said, "What?" I said, "I want to be a technology scientist." I said, "Wow, that's good." Though she has always made mention of being a technology scientist, and I was so glad and I was happy. So, I mean, she has learned a lot. I mean, I just briefly, I just want to mention an incident happened at my office, and we're trying to get a missing laptop. And my daughter came up to me with boldness, said, "Mom, can I help you find that laptop?" I said, "Excuse me, find a laptop?" Say, "Yes, of course now, because I'm a technology scientist, I can do anything." So these and many more are the things that my daughter has learned, and I'm so grateful. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you so much for sharing that. Um, one of the things that we really intended to have is for this kind of testimonials that you have just given. What we intended for Tech Summer 22 was to allow the children discover who they are, discover what they are passionate about. During the roundup, we had one of the parents say the same thing as well. In fact, I've also gotten calls from a few of the other parents to say the same thing as well, that my daughter, my son, this is where they want to be. So I think that part of it is so beautiful.